job of 2024. I picked up a trailer at Perfect Docks. Come with me, let's go do the delivery. It's got 2 deliveries on 1 trailer. Come, let's check it out. So it's about 5 degrees centigrade, but the wind makes it worse. Feels worse than that. Feels like 2 degrees or 1 degree or something. You know what I mean? January weather and February weather. February weather, I think, is even darker. Yeah. Yeah, man. Arriving now. That's it. I wonder if it's the loading bay one is brilliant. Otherwise you get in B1. Yeah, the best thing is to go and ask if I drive it. You get me? So I'm going to stop around here, go and ask. I'm so glad it's a bay to deliver rather than opening the curtain side. In this windy weather, you'd cry, because as you're pulling it, it's also pulling it apart. The curtains are very bad when it's raining or you know, blowy like this. Yes. So they take off part of it, and we take the rest of it to the other branch. You get me? If I can knock this out within under 10 hours, because this is a 10-hour minimum pay. So if you do it, you know, and if you bang your 8 hours, 6 hours, you still get 10 hours. So the target is to do it quick, get back to the yard. Alright, quick thing. Man has come to pick up whatever I'm bringing, or some of the stuff that I'm bringing, because he's been waiting there until I've arrived and I've seen them sort of get him up. These are the times where it's all about connections. People who are connected, they're still working. Yet those good workers who are well placed, they're still working. Those who aren't well placed, not experienced, or without any good contacts, they find themselves in a little bit of a hot soup. There's nothing going on. Nothing going on. As an agency, you don't want to go less than 2 days, or you know, if you do 1 day or 0 days, you're in trouble. 3 days, I think, used to be like cutting even, but 2 is just the minimums. Yeah, my opinion. Okay. Let me just get on with the. My book has now caught fire. You know, when the book starts getting very interesting. What is it about? Murder Stories, Deadly Company by Anne Granger. Almost done with it. Them places where the book is just so interesting. I think I'll carry on and we'll see. I'll talk with you at the next place. Yeah, we're off to the next one. 100 miles away from the first one. So, somewhere not too far from basic stock. 20 minutes away. Second one's been done. So out of here, if you love this kind of videos, I'm going to leave My trucking videos playlist. It's got over I think coming to 100 videos or so. Have a look, and I'll speak with you on the next video. Ta-da!
Love.
Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. This is farmlands. Of course, lorries can just give it some. Yeah, baby. That's why we drive them. Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. Give it some. Give it some. Give it some. Out of here.